Hello, my digital planning friends. My name is Brandi Reed, and I'm with Three Nail Faith, where I create digital planners, digital stickers, printed planners, and now courses to help Christian women succeed. So, today I want to show you my meal planning course. This course is to help you learn how to plan a week's worth of meals in 30 minutes or less. So, if this sounds like something that you would love to hear, stick around and we'll go through it. In the meantime, if you would subscribe to Three Nail Faith, that way you don't miss any videos that we put out. And also go ahead and hit that thumbs up like button, and so we can know that you enjoy this kind of content. So let's get started. So this is the Three Nail Faith's meal planning course. In this course, you will have access to this page, and each of these is a small little small sectioned out steps to get your meal planning done in no time. Super quick, super easy, super fun. Okay, so let's go. I'm going to run through this course real quick. So it's the meal planning course. That's me. It'll be personalized with your name. If you have any questions, you can shoot me an email. So let's go ahead and get started. So you're going to hit this Get Started button right here. Now, on the first, this is the introduction showing me and talking about how you would want to download all of your information. So we have the meal planning templates, the recipe binder, and the meal planning ebook. Okay, so you can either download all the templates all at once, all the pages that you'll be needing all at once, which would be this top button here. You can also download all of the recipe binder all at once, and then you also have access to the ebook to go with this as well. So that's a video going over that. And then on the side here, if you need to skip to a different section, you're needing to, for whatever reason, you always can come over here and jump onto one of these side pieces. So that's that first lesson. The second lesson. Now, if you choose not to download everything all at once, you can download the pages that are used in that particular lesson, right here. And then this goes over your favorite meals and why you want to have that all taken care of or written down. This one is going to be how to inventory your kitchen before you start meal planning. And then that's the download for that. Here's some money saving tips and tricks for you to save at the grocery store. This is going to download all your meal planning sheets. You can choose which option you would like. There are several different options that you can choose from. And I will work through one of the versions in this, but there are several different styles that you can choose from. And so this one's talking about your family schedule and why that's important with meal planning. You're going to go ahead and add your meals to your meal plan. You're going to go back and add your ingredients. You're going to add any extra items that you may need. Some things that you just like to have on hand at all times. And there's a worksheet that goes with this so that you can keep track of all the things that you normally want to keep on hand. This gets you set up for the following week so that you're ready for next week and getting started to go grocery shopping. And then this lesson, you can learn how to do meal plan either 2 to 4 weeks at a time. If you're one of those that likes to just do it once, spend the time to do it once, and you've got a full month's worth of meals already scheduled out. That's how I like to do it. I like to just schedule my full month and get all my big grocery shopping done. Yes, I'll have to go and do like the small fresh produce and things like that. But I like to get the bulk of my my canned goods and meats and things like that I can get ahead of time, already done in one trip. So makes the next week's shoppings less time consuming. Okay, so that's what that one's about. And all these videos are about 5 to 10 minutes, so that goes very, very, very fast. The whole course, excuse me, is less than an hour. So even though it looks like a whole bunch of videos, it really is quite quick. Here's some additional resources, your stockpiling, how to stockpile. This video goes over how to create a recipe binder and why you would want to have a recipe binder. This is one of the tips and tricks that I use to make my meal planning go so quickly, is to use a recipe binder and have everything all in one place. So I'm not trying to search on Pinterest, not trying to search here and there. It's all in one place. You can either do this digitally. If you're a digital person, you can do it digitally, or you can do it, with paper in a recipe binder. And then if you there is an additional add-on if you choose to purchase the Canva templates, where you can customize each of these sheets to exactly what you want. Everybody buys different things, has different ways of just doing their meals and things. So these extra Canva templates will make it easy for you to be able to customize it to your liking, to what works for your family's needs. And then that's it. So that's how simple this is. You can easily do this. Like I said, you will be able to do your meal planning in 30 minutes or less. Now, I will say, disclaimer, the first few times you do it, it's going to take you longer than 30 minutes. Number one, you need to learn the process. And number two, it's just getting into the hang of things and how to do things. But once you get the hang of it, I promise you can do a 30 minutes and get your meals planned out and your grocery list done. So that is the meal planning course in an overview. And if you have any questions, please comment below. I would love to hear any questions you have or any concerns that you have with meal planning. The course will help you. If this was a video that you enjoyed, I would love for you to thumbs up. If you like the post, like the video. And if you want to see more videos like this, or digital planning, digital stickers, any other courses, I'm going to be working on courses mainly to help moms stay organized and to just be able to tackle all the mom stuff. So that's what I'm working towards for courses. If they are things that you would like to know about, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss anything. And you have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye-bye.